Hello and welcome to Luo English Dictionary. I'm Tony
and my name is Agina. In today's edition, we want to talk about vowels, but in this case, we are looking at words that use the vowel. So today we're looking at 5-letter words, 4-letter words, and 3-letter words. Okay, Tony?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Good. So we shall start with this word here, Adita. How would you pronounce this?
Abita?
This is a D.
Oh, Adita.
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 Adita. Not Adita. Adita.
Adita.
Adita.
Adita.
Adita.
Adita.
And then A-P-U-T.
Apot.
Aput.
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 And then this A-R-E-M-O.
Aremo.
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 Remember we said A-E-I-O-U. So Aremo.
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 Then this
Asoya.
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 And then asoya is a bribe, like if someone is bribing you with some money.
Yeah, so that you have to do something.
Yeah, that's asoya, okay?
Okay.
Bamo.
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 Bamo means to
Twist.
To twist. If you're twisting something.
Like twisting a rope.
Yes, that is bamo, okay?
Bamo.
Then we have bayo.
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 Bayo, what does bayo mean?
It means to walk or
to
stroll.
To walk or to stroll. Bayo. That means you're walking at a slow, mostly at a slow pace, okay?
Okay.
Bayo.
Bayo.
Then we have bus.
Bus.
What does bus mean?
Bus.
What?
Bus.
What does bus mean? Bus is just bus, okay? Like the car that is called a bus is the same thing.
Don't confuse them. It's B-A-S, not B-U-S.
Okay, correct. So bus is just bus. Then, what of the next word?
Bilo. Bido.
Remember, E is pronounced as eh. So this will be
Bedo.
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 Hey, listen to me. Bedo.
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 Correct. Then the next one.
Bilo.
Billo.
Bilo.
Billo.
Bilo.
The next one.
Biso.
Biso. Correct. Biso. Say biso.
Biso.
And biso means?
Tidy up.
To tidy up a place. That is biso. Then the next one.
Bura.
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 And bura means a case that is being tried, okay? If you have a case, you say ange bura.
Like a detective case?
Yeah, like if you go to court.
Okay.
So when you are in court, then you say an kod bura. Okay?
Okay.
Then this is
Due.
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 What is due?
Moon.
The moon. The moon is called due. Due. Okay? That one.
Arrow.
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 Arrow is to dare someone.
Dare.
Okay?
Like truth or dare.
Yeah.
The game
Arrow.
that people used to play. Arrow.
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 The next one.
Eka.
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 Eka denotes then. When you're saying a story, then you say eka, it means then. Okay?
Eka. Fuwo.
What?
Fuwo.
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 Fuwo means
Foolish.
foolish. Fuwo. And then the next one, that's a G.
Okay.
So how would you say that?
Long or short?
Whichever.
I don't
Just
know.
tell me. Just read it.
Gaji.
Gagi.
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 Say gagi.
Gage.
Gagi is a cowrie shell. Gagi.
Gage.
Okay. Then the next one,
Gamo.
Gamo. What does Gamo mean?
Be a go.
Be a go-between. Someone who
Be a
goes
go-between.
in between. Like if I want something from Nikki and you can bring it for me, then you become the person who is Gamo. You Gamo it for me. That means you're a go-between. You're going between me and Nikki, okay?
Okay.
Gamo.
Gamo.
Okay. Next.
Gallo.
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 Gallo. And what does gallo mean?
Tell lies.
To tell lies. That is gallo. Then the next one,
Geno.
ge.
Geno.
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 Remember in Luo, when you say je, it is J. Okay? All the G's will start with G. G.
G.
G. Okay?
Okay.
And geno means to trust.
Trust.
Okay?
Okay.
Then the next,
Guido.
Guido. What does Guido mean? Tickle.
Tickle.
Okay? Guido.
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 The next,
Golo.
Golo. What does Golo mean?
Take away.
Take away.
Like we are taking away someone's phone.
Yes, Golo. Like
Golo.
subtraction.
Yes.
You know, in math, there's subtraction.
Yes.
That is Golo, okay? Next,
Is that an F?
this is an O and that's a T.
Goat.
Again?
Goat.
Again?
Goat.
Got.
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 And what does got mean?
Mountain.
Mountain. Then the next one,
Ghoul.
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 Ghoul is a peninsula or a corner.
Okay.
A corner area is called Ghoul.
Ghoul.
The next one,
Gumo.
what does that mean?
Bend over.
What is Gumo? Say Gumo.
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 And then the last one,
Higa.
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 That's a year, okay? So I want you to read all of them starting from here. Clearly start.
Adita. Small basket. I put insufficient amount. Aremo. Aremo.
Aremo.
Aremo.
Aremo.
Aremo. Edible grasshoppers. Asoya. Bribe.
Ayuya.
Ayuya. Easily removable. Bamo. Twist. Bayo. Walk/stroll. Bas. Bus. Bido.
Bedo.
Bedo. Sit. Bilo. Taste. Biso. Tidy up. Bura. Bura. Case being
Bura.
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 Bura. Case being tried. Dwe. Moon.
Due.
Dwe. Moon.
Due.
Dwe. Moon. Ero. Is that right? Arrow.
Arrow, yes.
Arrow.
Arrow.
Arrow. There.
Okay.
Ika. Then.
Eka.
Eka. Then. Fumo. Fool, foolish.
You have to pronounce everything. In Luo, you have to pronounce everything. If it's fuwa, you have to say fuwa.
Fool. Gagi,
Cowrie shells.
cowrie shell. Gamo, be a go-between. Gallo, tell lies. Geno, trust. Guido, tickle. Golo, take away. Got, mountain. Gol, corner/peninsula. Gumo, bend over. Higa, year.
Good. And that brings us to the end. I hope you learned something, and these are just vowels. We're trying to use vowels. That's why we're not giving too much emphasis on the meaning of the words, so that Tony learns how, I almost said Nikki, so that Tony learns how to pronounce the words, because that is a very important aspect. So Tony will finish up the video.
Oriti, goodbye.
Come on now, Tony. You didn't even tell them like they should subscribe.
Yeah, remember to. Yeah, I forgot. Remember to subscribe and make sure that we post more member videos. Anyways, Oriti, goodbye.
All right, bye-bye. See you guys.